Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the fourth session on the tutorial online. Dear students, in this week you are going to learn about different kind of business letters. You can find this week's topic in module 4, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of business writing and write a business letter accurately and appropriately. Please study the material and enrichment links below. Don't forget to participate in discussion forum 4 and submit the assignment 1 if you haven't it. Good luck and see you!